everyone! Surely we've all felt regret when our favorite jeans got torn or had a small hole in it. Don't throw it away just yet. Today, I'm going to share 3 beautiful clothing repair hacks that will not only fix your clothes, but also turn them into stylish highlights. Let's get started. Hack 1. Cross-stitch weaving. I'll use the cross-stitch weaving technique. It's strong and stylish at the same time. First, I'll make basting stitches along both edges of the tier to define the sewing line. Where are you from? Leave a comment and let me know. It's amazing that we can meet here from all around the world. Basting stitches should be symmetrical on both sides. That way, when we start weaving across, the stitches will look even and neat. Next, I'll continue threading as shown in the video. I pass the needle from one edge to the other, creating parallel fence-like stitches that are evenly spaced and pleasing to the eye. This makes the patch stronger and more decorative. Continue until both sides are connected completely. Now you can already see the tier woven closed, creating a decorative embroidery effect. Wasn't that easy? Try using your favorite thread color, red, blue, or pink, and share your result with me. Tip 2. Repair with herringbone stitch. Here, I'm using yellow thread. First, insert the needle from the wrong side to the right side. Then, stitch diagonally to the opposite edge, and again, diagonally back. Each stitch forms a small X shape. When sewing, make sure your diagonal stitches alternate evenly, just like fish bones. That's why this stitch has such a cute name. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button below. I'd be so happy to have your support. Once you've gone the entire length of the tier, you'll see the 2 fabric edges close smoothly, and the thread forms a neat, beautiful crisscross pattern. Do you like this type of stitch? Try it with your favorite color and share your results with me. Tip 3. Repair small holes with feather stitch. I'll start with the ladder stitch. Sew from the right edge of the tier to the left, repeating the movement like rungs on a ladder. Keep your stitches evenly spaced so they look neat and consistent. Gently pull the thread so the 2 edges come together without wrinkling. In this case, the shape looks like the letter L, so I'll keep it that way. Continue sewing until you reach the end of the tier. Now, let's move on to the second embroidery technique, the feather stitch. Watch closely and follow along. It's simple and easy to do. These feather stitches are both decorative and a great way to cover up small holes. Pull the thread gently and evenly so the stitches stay neat. For the final stitch, tuck the thread inside. And now, look, the hole is completely gone. We've finished 3 simple yet creative clothing repair hacks with just needle and thread. Bring your jeans back to life.